So what are actions? Well, Photoshop analyzes your image and provides you a curated list of suggested edits. We're going to be taking this boat and making this. And we're going to be making this out of this boat. Some actions require generative credits. You'll see this on the tooltip. And some will require you to have a flattened image. Some of the options show up right away when you roll over them, and some might take a little bit. There are so many options for pretty much anything you do in Photoshop. I'm going to go over a few of my favorites. Let's get started. So here's an action that I think I'll be using a lot. Remove background and crop. So I'm starting with this image of a simple sailboat. I'm going to put this sailboat on this image below it. But I want to make sure that any adjustments I make to this sailboat don't affect my underlying layer. First thing I'm going to do is generate a mask. Then I'm going to put this layer inside of a folder, and I'm going to then hold down the command key and select the layer mask. Then go up to the layer menu and select layer mask, reveal selection. This way, any adjustments you make to your boat won't affect the underlying image. Now we can start playing around with some actions. So you can see the adjustment I made is only affecting my layer. One of the other things you can do is replace your sky. So one of the actions I really love is the colorful lights overlay. Keep in mind it will deduct 1 credit from your account per generation. So it gives you a little bit of a bokeh effect. So we're going to take a look at some of the actions that affect photography really well. There are a lot of photography styles in here, so you can get really creative with your actions. The other thing you can do is search for an action. Some options let you change your background with filter effects, but it's nice because you can see how it looks before you apply it. So one of the most powerful actions I've found is generate custom background. It takes your image and merges it with whatever scene you put in your prompt. So you're going to look for generate custom background. Keep in mind this does require 1 generative credit, and you have to have a flattened image in order for it to work. So it might take a few generations to get it to work, because as you can see, the boat doesn't really work. There are kind of 2 boats in the image instead of just 1. So this one seems to be the most successful. So this does a few things at once. It involves masking the subject and harmonizing it with the background, all in one prompt. So I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into Photoshop Beta's Action panel. There's so many options in the Actions panel. I found it really inspiring. I hope you do too. Don't forget to like and subscribe.